Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, September the 15th, 2022. We have here only one regular puzzle. It's a medium Sudoku. And we have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. Yes, 7 extra puzzles. The first one, a letter Sudoku. Second one, the 2 stars. The third one, the 3 stars. And the fourth one, a 4-star Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cijferblok. And the last one, a binary puzzle. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. Half of these puzzles in additional I will solve. But first we will solve this medium Sudoku. What's the news of today? Well, let me show you. This is the front page. The front page of the newspaper. People are waiting. Yes, waiting for the queens or in a queue. For seeing the queen's coffin, and they need to wait up to 30 hours to see the coffin of the queen. Yes, mourners will wait up to 30 hours to see the queen's coffin in London. Yes, well, 30 hours, wow, it's more than a day. But let me continue with the medium Sudoku. Yes, let me zoom this and position the camera. This will be number 5177. 5177. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1 star. And for the 1 star, you need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, we will see if this is really a 1 star. So let's get started. Let me see. We have a 9 in the first row, the 9 in the third row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. All right. Let me zoom this a little bit. Yes. The 8 in this column, the 8 in the third column, so the column between. The only place left for the 8 in the second column should be there. The 1 in the third row, the 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this third column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1 in the last row, so no 1 there. Here 1 in that row, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so in that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, here, or there in this row. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. Here 4 in the column next, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in this row should be there. All right. Then let me see. How about 5 5. 2 7. 2 7 6 and let me think. 5. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 5. We have a 5 in the first column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. We see here 5 in the third row, so no 5 there, so the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next to only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the first row, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 there. Here 5 in that row, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. How about the 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column? So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this row. No 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1 in this column. No 1 there. Here 1 in that column. So no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing number is a 4. Well, we have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. So the 4 could be here or there in the second column. Here or there. We see another 4 in the last row, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there in the first row, here or there. We see another 4 in this column, so no 4 there, so the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright, 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row, so the third row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column. No 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 4. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Let me see. 3, 3, 3. 2. 2, 2. Come on. 3 and 7. Alright. 2, 7, 6. 6. Well. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in the second row for number the 1, the 2 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 box left in the third row for number the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then. Let me see. 7 and 6. Ooh, on. It's taking too long. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. Yeah, 6 in this column. So no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 in the last column. 2 in that column. So the column between. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row. 2 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Then 3, 6, and the 9, the 9, 3, 9, and the 2. No. 3, 9, and the 7. 7 and a 3. We need a 3 here. 3, 7, and a 9. Well, 9, 9. Come on. 9, 7. 3, 7, come on. 9. I'm thinking. 3, 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Do we have all the 6s? No, 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between in the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 here. So this box give me 6 anymore. That box should be 6. This box should be 3. And all the 6s are used. I can see this number is 4, number 6. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 9 goes there. 9. Okay. 3, 7. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square. 4 number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the second column. So no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this row. So no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 in this column. 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row above. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Told you. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again later on with the other puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.